We will discuss hydrogen spectrum. If we passed that high electric discharge through that hydrogen gas, what happened? Now hydrogen molecule first break into hydrogen atom, and that hydrogen atom absorb energy, and that each electron raised to different that energy level. Now when they drop to that lower energy level, they emit that radiation in form of that spectrum, that is called hydrogen spectrum. Now it is a line spectrum. Now in hydrogen spectrum there are different that series of line. Remember that diagram. N equal to 1, n equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if electron jump from higher energy level to that first energy level, that is ground state. If electron jump from higher energy level to that first energy level, then we get Lyman series, that is Lyman series. Now if electron jump from higher energy state to second energy state, then we get Balmer series. Balmer series. When in that third energy state, then Passon series. When in that fourth energy state, then bracket. And when up to 5, then P5. So these are the different that spectral series. Now we can express them by Rydberg equation. You have to remember that Rydberg equation. Rydberg equation. Now nu bar equal to RH 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Now that nu bar, wave number 1 by lambda, reciprocal of lambda, RH Rydberg constant is value C 109677 centimeter inverse. 109677 centimeter inverse. And that N1 lower energy level, and that N2 higher energy level. Now see, for Lyman N1 equal to 1 and N2 equal to 2, 3, 4 dot dot up to infinity. So for Lyman N1 is 1, for Balmer N1 is 2, and N2 that 3, 4, 5 from the next orbit. So different spectral series has different Rydberg equation, that N1, N2 that will vary. So for Lyman N1 equal to 1, now Lyman that one in UV region, Balmer that one in visible region. Balmer is in visible region. In case of Balmer, N1 equal to 2 and n2 equal to 3 4 5 dot dot. And third one, Passer, that one in IR, infrared region, n1 equal to 3, n2 equal to 4 5 6. Next, bracket, ETT bracket, that one also in IR, n1 equal to 4, n2 equal to. Next, Pfine, that one also in IR, n1 equal to 5, n2 equal to 6 7 8. So try to remember their region. So only Balmer in that visible region, and you have to practice that numerical based on that Rydberg equation for board exam.